Okay, class, everyone should be at their computers with a clear Word document open on your desktop. That needs to be the only thing on your desktop. Okay, the first step, first order of business. Okay, let's talk about how we are supposed to structure our document. Just to cover that quickly, every time we do an assignment, every time we are performing an activity on a document, in this class, you're going to change your font theme to Georgia. Okay, so you would go up there, you would click inside of the box, you would either click type GEO, that'll give you Georgia, hit enter, or do the drop box, change the font size to 12. In this example, I'm using 22. Okay, and the next order of business is to change the alignment. So it starts off on the left side, you go over 2 times, you end up on the right. Now your browser is blinking on the right. Now next order of business, head to paper. So your name, period, IT class, I'm sorry. The period, your period, and today's date. So everyone should have, okay, their font theme at Georgia, font size at 12, and you should have headed your paper. So if you haven't done that, complete that. Okay, so everyone should have the heading on their paper. Now what we need to do is you need to hit File, Save As, save it as your name. Okay, we're still in the same unit. Now we're discussing a different concept. Okay, so the last concept, which was job application, that was the quiz that you just took on those vocabulary words. Now we're introducing workplace responsibilities. So after the date, enter, enter. Okay, go back up to the top, switch it, click back on left alignment. I'm going to paste the learning goal. Okay, and you're going to copy. So the learning goal is still, okay, how to find job openings, comma, prepare applications, comma, and follow through with the application process, period. Okay, the next paragraph, understand the characteristics of a successful employee, including good work habits, comma, attitude, comma, attire, and technology. So a quick reminder, okay, you're working on 2 skills right now as you're sitting at your computer working on this Word document. First one, every time you work on a Word document, whether it's in this class or any other class, okay, we're hitting the course goal of you being able to apply and demonstrate word processing skills. Okay, the fact that you know how to locate and change the font theme, change the font size, head your paper on the right side, is you demonstrating word processing skills. Okay, so that's one course goal that you're accomplishing. Okay, the next course goal is keyboarding skills. Okay, so as you're sitting at your computer and typing this on the Word document, you're practicing your keyboarding skills. Okay, and as you get better and as I start to introduce more video instruction, some people will be able to just listen to the sound of my voice, listen to what I'm saying, and to be able to type, not even have to turn around and look at the smartboard. So that's just a good indicator, that's a good gauge for you to determine whether or not if you can actively listen, okay, to instruction and type at the same time. It's not a good or bad thing. That's just an area in which you can test yourself to see if you are actually progressing with your words per minute. Okay, so everybody should have this learning goal down. Okay, after the learning goal, I want to do enter, enter. I'm going to paste the concept, which is concept workplace responsibilities. So after concept, workplace responsibilities, we want to enter. Okay, I'm going to paste the essential question. Okay, so the essential question we're talking about here in this unit is, what are good work habits and how do I establish them? So you need to copy down the essential question. Again, what are good work habits and how do I establish them? Question. Okay, next order of business. After the essential question, enter. I'm going to paste the question 1, which is, what is appropriate workplace attire? So number 1, what is appropriate workplace attire? Okay, question 2. After question 1, hit enter. It's going to give you the number 2. Question 2 is, what technology skills do I need in order to be a successful employee? Question. Question 2, what technology skills do I need in order to be a successful employee? After question 2, enter. Going to paste question 3. What laws, ethics, and compensation expectations affect the workplace? Question. So, question 3, what laws, ethics, and compensation expectations affect the workplace? Question. After question 3, enter. I'm going to paste the vocabulary words, which will show the first 3, okay? Disregard. So after question 3, enter once. Vocabulary. First vocabulary word, troubleshoot. Discover and eliminate the cause of trouble. Troubleshoot is the first vocabulary word. So, discover and eliminate the cause of trouble. Vocabulary word number 2, impromptu. With little or no preparation. Impromptu. With little or no preparation. Vocabulary word number 3, benefits. Additional incentives offered to employees beyond pay. May include insurance, transportation, allowances, vacation and sick leave, etc. So, abbreviation, ETC. Fourth vocabulary word, child labor laws. Statutes and rules regulating the employment of minors. Child labor laws. Statutes and rules regulating the employment of minors. Okay, last 2 vocabulary words. The first of 2, multicultural, cultural diversity. Multicultural, cultural diversity. Last vocabulary word, workplace ethics. A set of values that defines conduct expectations for employees. Okay, so these are your vocabulary words. That wraps up this concept within the same unit. And listen for the next instruction.